2 for you. You know, love is the greatest thing in the world. If we don't have love, we don't have nothing. Don't care what we are going to do, and we don't have love. I love everybody. You know, sometimes I think, why should people say I hate that one, and I don't love that one? No, God made us all, we are all one family. We are children of God. That is why, you know, we should call one another brothers and sisters, because we are all brothers and sisters. Favoritism is forbidden. My brothers and sisters, believers in our glorious God, Jesus Christ, must not show favoritism. Suppose a man come into your meeting wearing a gold ring and a fine clothes, and a poor man in a filthy old clothes also comes in. If you show special attention to the man wearing fine clothes, say, here's a good seat for you, but say to the poor man, you stand there, or sit on the floor by my feet. Have you not discriminated among yourselves and become judges with evil thoughts? Listen, my dear brothers and sisters, has not God chosen those who are poor in the eyes of the world to be rich in faith and to inherit the kingdom of promise, and to inherit the kingdom he promised those who love him? But you have dishonored the poor. Is it not the rich who are exploiting you? Are they not the ones who are dragging you into court? Are they not the ones who are blaspheming the noble name of him to whom you belong? If you really keep the royal law found in Scripture, love your neighbor as yourself, you are doing right. But if you show favoritism, you sin and are convicted by the law as lawbreakers. For whoever keeps the whole law and yet stumbles at just one point is guilty of breaking all of it. For he who said, you shall not commit adultery, also said, you shall not murder. If you do not commit adultery, but do commit murder, you have become a lawbreaker. Speak and act as those who are going to be judged by the law, and give freedom, because judgment without mercy will be shown to anyone who has not been merciful. Mercy triumphs, never judge. Mercy triumphs over judgment. Faith and deeds. What good is it, my brothers and sisters, if someone claims to have faith but has no deeds? Can such faith save them? Suppose a brother or a sister is without clothes and daily food. If one of you says to them, go in peace, keep warm and well fed, but does nothing about their physical needs, what good is it? In the same way, faith by itself, if it is not accomplished by action, is dead. But someone will say, you have faith, I have deeds. Show me your faith without deeds, and I will show you my faith by my deeds. You believe that there is one God, good, one God, good. Even the demons believe that and shudder. You foolish person, do you want evidence that faith without deeds is useless? Was not our father Abraham considered righteous for what he did when he offered his son Isaac on the altar? You see that his faith and his actions were working together, and his faith was made complete by what he did. And the scripture was fulfilled, and that says, Abraham believed God, and it was credited to him as righteousness, and he was called God's friend. You see that person is considered righteous by what they do, and not by faith alone. In the same way, was not even Rahab the prostitute considered righteous for what she did when she gave lodging to the spies and sent them off in a different direction? As the body without the spirit is dead, so faith without deeds is dead. And I'm just going to sing this song. It's not the first I sang it, but you know I love this song. I have a friend, a precious friend. Oh, how he loves me. He says his love will never end. Oh, how he loves me. Oh, how he loves me. Oh, how he loves me. I know not why, I only cry. Oh, how he loves me. Why should he come? I cannot tell. Oh, how he loves me. In my poor broken heart to dwell. Oh, how he loves me. Oh, how he loves me. Oh, how he loves me. I know not why, I only cry. Oh, how he loves me. He died to save my soul from death. Oh, how he loves me. I'll promise him while he gives breath. Oh, how he loves me. Oh, how he loves me. Oh, how he loves me. I know not why, I only cry. Oh, how he loves me. He walks with me